Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use peer-to-peer payment features in your bank app's Zelle. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Zelle allows you to send money to friends, family or trusted people instantly using just their email or phone number. To do it, make sure you have Zelle. Most US banks include Zelle in their app like Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citi and etc. What you need to do is simply head over and open up your bank application. Then log into your account, and then once logged into your account, tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner of the screen and look for Pay, Send Money or Zelle. Then once you are inside there, you'll find an option that says Send Money with Zelle. Then next is to enroll it by simply tapping on Send Money with Zelle, and then once done, enter your email or phone number, verify it using a confirmation code sent by text or email. Only one-time enrollment is needed. After that, you can send and receive money. The next is to send money. Simply tap on Send in the Zelle menu and add recipient by entering their email or phone number and make sure it's exactly correct. Enter the amount you want to send, select the bank account to send from, and lastly, once done, simply tap on Send. The money usually arrives within minutes if the recipient is already enrolled. The next is to request money in the Zelle. What you need to do is simply tap on Request, then enter the person's email or phone number, then enter the amount, and then tap on Request. Only request from people you know and trust. The next is to confirm transactions. You'll get notifications of sent or received payments. Check your bank account or app for the transaction status and only send money to the people you know personally, and double check email or phone number before sending. Never send money for online shopping from strangers, and don't share your Zelle code or banking login as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.